Do you know what are the hormones? Well, our entire body is controlled by two systems, the nervous system and the endocrine system. Nervous system uses an electrical stimulus and an endocrine system uses a chemical stimulus. And these chemical stimulus are nothing but the hormones. So hormones are actually a specialized chemicals. By the way, do you know the word hormone is derived from the Greek word, and the hormone means to excite. It carries out the body's function into the right manner to the target cell. Yes, even if the hormones are circulated throughout the body, they don't work everywhere. They work only on the target cell. And these hormones, they are required in a very small quantity. If you have more or less of these hormones, both of that can create an imbalance in your body and give you various kind of diseases.